single reversible door refrigerator, 1.6 cubic feet, 0.045 cubic meter, black. Mechanical temperature adjustment ranges from -2 to 2 Celsius, 32 to 35.6 Fahrenheit. Large storage areas excellent at chilling beverages and healthy snacks. Produce, however, cannot be used for storing frozen foods or making ice cubes. Features adjustable legs and a reversible door that can open from left or right. Full 1-year warranty. External product dimensions 17.7 x 18.6 x 19.4. Note: the internal walls of the main compartment are slightly tapered toward the back. Please click the link to get this hot Amazon product at a great price. Midea WHS 65LB1 compact single reversible door refrigerator.